What did you do? Tommy, did you get into the trash? Tom, come here. Oh.
What?
God damn it, it's a brand new truck. What? 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 I swear to God. Oh my God, don't do it again. Don't.
I'm trying to put it on you.
The pug. I'll probably get some hate for this one, but I don't care. They've been bred specifically to look like they've been smashed in the goddamn face with a frying pan. And because of this, because of their fact that their skull is shaped like a fucking tuna can, they can barely breathe their whole lives. Ever been around a pug? Constantly, no matter the temperature or the weather, they sit there going gah, 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 gah. And people think this shit is cute. If my baby came out with a flat nose, hair lip, cylindrical head, and no neck going gah, 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 I'd be like, Jesus fuck, put it back in.
God. Pinche maestro, aquí me tiene a la pinche 1:30 de la mañana haciéndole un peinado para la tarea. ¿Ustedes creen que eso es justo? Chinga su madre la sed.
Alright, going to check on the puppies. See, this is what I have to deal with in the middle of the night. All that staring